Hey, let's look at some Black Friday deals. Black Friday is on. If you're looking for flight simulator stuff and you guys are ready to go, now's the time. It is on. So between now and at least Black Friday, probably now until Cyber Monday, you guys can get some pretty good deals on a number of sites. So let's go look at what we've got going on, what I've seen out there. Starting with Amazon, and I do have more than just Amazon, so hang tight. The Next Level Racing Flight Simulator, the Boeing Commercial Edition, $750 as opposed to $800. All right, we have the Turtle Beach Velocity 1 Flight Universal Control System at $284 as opposed to $379. We've got the Logitech X56 host throttle. If you guys are into combat flight simulation, that's going to be a good deal for you there. Again, that's the same thing. Here we got the Logitech G USB Flight Instrument Panel, or they call them FIPS. Sometime you can grab one of those. Even the Logitech G Pro Flight System here, it's not tagged as Black Friday, but it's still on sale for $144. I'm pretty sure I bought mine at full price. What else they got in here? The flight rudder pedals, grab yourself a set of those. There's nothing else in here. Looks like it's on sale necessarily. Got those FIPS still. And got these, the X52 Flight Control System, which is also Logitech there. Another good alternative for the HOTAS. If you're looking for something for combat flight simulator, if you're looking for something with a joystick or a stick-based system with the throttle like that. Okay, I'll leave links down below for the deals that I'm finding. If I think they're a good deal, I'll leave the links down in the description. I'll leave that for you. Okay, Virtual Fly. I don't know that these are necessarily Black Friday deals, but Virtual Fly does have a lot of sales. Quote, sales going on. Their stuff's pretty expensive anyway, but come check them out. They look like they've got some things that are marked up and then marked down, so come take a look at Virtual Fly. I'll leave links for this. Let's look at Virpil Controls. Their Black Friday sale is on, 35% off on a lot of stuff. Come in here, check things out. Make sure to go to the shop up here and look at your flight sticks, look at your collectives, look at your throttles, your control panels. Let's take a look at RealSimGear. All right, their sale is on. All right, so this one is going. Go grab this stuff while it lasts because it's going to go fast. They do have some pretty decent deals. That 530, normally $449, $329 now. $17.99 for the G1000 suite, down from $21.99. $430, the one I was going to grab, wasn't on sale as much as I could hope for. That's the GTN 750. $499, it's only $100 off, but still not a bad deal. I might grab it. I'm not sure. We'll see what happens. Just a whole bunch of stuff. Go check that out. Lots of good options there. FlightSimBuilder. If you guys are in here, their Black Friday deals are live. Go get this. Lots of deals over here. Just make sure you're checking that out. The 530, $252. All right, so I don't know a lot about FlightSimBuilder. I did try to troubleshoot some issues with a non-plug-and-play 530, or it's supposed to be plug-and-play. You're supposed to be able to plug it in, and it's supposed to work, but worked with somebody that was having some issues with that. If you guys have tech support issues, do make sure to check out the tech support for the companies that you buy your stuff from. Okay, so definitely come in here, check this stuff out. Flight Velocity. All right, what do these guys have? They've got a couple little things here and there that are on sale. Okay, I was checking to see a Flight Velocity trim wheel. See if they had any deals. It doesn't look like they do. X-Plane store, if you guys haven't been here, definitely come in. Pretty much everything's on sale over here. So you guys can load up on scenery. You guys can load up on aircraft. X-Plane 11, X-Plane 12, all their utilities, pretty much everything. You can even come in here and get some deals through these guys on some of their flight controls as well. So just a whole bunch of stuff. Come in here, check it out. You guys can load up if you guys are building a flight sim. Now is the time. Merry Christmas to you. You guys are going to have exactly what you guys need to build the most amazing flight sim ever. All right, so enjoy the season. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this helps. And hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving as well, because I probably won't be making any videos tomorrow. All right, take care. Hey, if you haven't already done so, head over to EliteSimBuild.com, grab a copy of our home flight simulator resource guide. Do that thing where you click the button, give us your email address, and we will send you a copy of our simulator guides where you can get the resource list, the avionics reviews, a panel blueprint, so that way you guys can send that off to your panel guy, get all the parts and pieces that you need, you'll know exactly what software to pick up so you can get your Cessna 172 flight simulator built today.